Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 16th of November 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished down 0.7% today, led lower by the materials sector and the banks. Only the technology sub-index made ground today. Almost 3/4 of the top 200 stocks ended up losing ground. That's widespread. BHP was down 2.6% and James Hardie Industries was down 2.3%. Telstra was another big decliner. All the major banks and Macquarie Group were lower. Among the large caps, the best performer was Afterpay, up 1.7%, while ASX and Transurban Group both finished more than 1% higher. After its big jump yesterday, biopharmaceutical group Mesoblast lost almost 9%. It was easily the worst performer of the top 200 today. As I've said a few times, Mesoblast's share price is very volatile. Pendal Group was down 4.4%. The best performer was Gold Digger Chalice Mining, which rose almost 4%. In economic news today, Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe said the nation's economic recovery was on track, thanks in part to its very low interest rate policy. While the economy was making better than expected progress towards the central bank's inflation target, there was still a way to go. He noted that while underlying inflation has returned to the target range for the first time in 6 years, it's still at the bottom end of that range. The central bank is sticking to its script that the most likely time for the next jump in the official cash rate is 2024. But the central bank noted greater uncertainty in the economy, particularly around price rises, and that hurt the share market. The Aussie dollar is up a touch, trading at almost 73.5 US cents. Oil prices were up today, and Brent crude is trading at close to $83 US a barrel. Gold is fetching $1,866 US an ounce. That's a 6-month high. Just recapping Wall Street from this morning, all the major indices ended the day flat. Trading was in a holding pattern ahead of the meeting between US President Joe Biden and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping. The meeting went well. It took 3 hours. They talked about everything from Taiwan and trade to human rights. Mr. Xi called the US China's old friend. All in all, looked pretty cordial to me. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 16th of November, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.